What's up, YouTubers? We got an unboxing for you here. I'm a little late because I ordered this online, but nonetheless, this is Absolute Memorabilia. Well, Absolute Football, also known as, it used to be called Absolute Memorabilia. 2018. Got Russell Wilson on the front here. 3 autographs, 2 mem cards per box on average. Rookie Premier Material Autos, 1 per box on average. It's 3 mini boxes. Said ordered this online. Got a good deal for it. Don't have a knife. Here we go. And I just realized it's going to be even harder because I don't have anything to cut them with. Here. I've seen some pretty lackluster boxes, let's say, but I've also seen some good stuff come out of them. So it seems like they're more lackluster than it's more bad than good. Matt Ryan, I like the cards; they look really cool. Got Odell Beckham, Therese Fontaine. It's a triple patch auto. Looks like we got some jersey football. It's like a glove or a sock or something. 367 to 399. That was one of the things a lot of people were upset with for the price point. That seems like a really high auto. $3.99 for that price that price point. Seems pretty high. Bo Scarborough and Bobby Wagner. So people that were not too impressed with this product. So we got Dalvin Cook, Joe Flacco to 99 or to 90. Oh wait, to 6 of 65. Gold. We got Josh Adams. Signature standouts. This is not numbered. And Royce Freeman. Chunky patch there. 5 of 99. And Patrick Mahomes, not numbered, base. So let's see what else we got here. It's a really thick card in there. AJ Green, Warren Sapp, Pepper Johnson. Pepper Johnson. It's old school. Iconic ink, Pepper Johnson. Not numbered. And then we got Russell Wilson quad patch to 25. That's pretty cool. Looks like it's all jersey there. 5 of 25. We got Joe Flacco. So, I don't know. Let's go through the hits here really quick and reassess. So we got our quad patch, Russell Wilson to 25. That's pretty cool. Some might say this might be the hit of the box. I don't know. Pepper Johnson's pretty cool. I mean, yeah, I've never seen his auto. Not numbered though, and it's a sticker. A chunky patch of Royce Freeman, 5/99. Signature standouts, Josh Adams. Sticker auto and not numbered. Yeah, I mean, for the price point, I'm surprised at how high the numbers are, um, and also the lack of numbering on them. Joe Flacco gold parallel, and then our RPA Doris Fontaine, 367/399, triple patch. That'll do it. Like, comment, or subscribe down below. I think I got another box. I got some national packs and then another box of certified to go through. We'll have some fun with. All right, take it easy.